Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system, open an elevated console, and then Services. Once done, run Services. MSC so you see the list immediately. You need to confirm dependencies, remote procedure call, and DCOM must be running. Make sure you have administrator privileges, otherwise you cannot change startup types. This step is the gateway. It locates the Diagnostic Policy Service entry so you can act. Keep the Services window open and move on to configure the service itself. You now configure and start the service. Open Properties and change startup type to Automatic so it runs after boot. Choose Automatic, Delayed Start if you need a later launch. Once configured, click Start to launch it immediately. You can also run NetStart Diagnostic Policy Service or SC-config to script this for many machines. This ensures Windows can collect diagnostics and report issues. If the service fails to start, move on to the verification and logs step to gather more detail. You finish by verifying that diagnostics are working. Open Event Viewer and review Microsoft Windows diagnostic logs while reproducing a problem. Make sure events appear, because that proves the service is collecting data. If something goes wrong, first check service account permissions and dependency status, then run sfc/scano to repair system files and confirm group policy isn't blocking the service. If permissions are the culprit, adjust security on the service key in registry and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.